Hi and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to make a great side dish for your holiday dinner. Grilled Brussels sprouts with crispy bacon. There are many great side dishes over the holiday season, from baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, over corn, to green beans and sweet potatoes. You pick your favorite. One of my favorites, grilled Brussels sprouts with crispy bacon. And especially when you do it on the grill, when it absorbs that smoky, delicious grill flavor, it's absolutely amazing. It goes perfectly with Thanksgiving turkey or prime rib. It's absolutely to die for. And you know what? It's extremely easy to do. So let me show you how to do it. For today's cook, I'm going to set the grill for indirect cooking at 350 to 400 degrees. Today's cook is pretty much just like you would cook it inside your house in the oven, just with that added flavor and the deliciousness that you get from the smokiness of the charcoal. I cut the bacon and Brussels sprouts into smaller pieces, but you could roast the Brussels sprouts whole as well. Season everything with salt and pepper and olive oil to taste. I put a little bit too much oil, so learn from my mistakes, less is more. Alright guys, the Brussels sprouts are ready and it's smelling absolutely delicious. Come on, come and check it out. I'm going to take a bite. Oh, look at this guys. The Brussels sprout is perfectly caramelized. The bacon, nice and crisp. It's a treat. Let's try it. Really good. This is perfect. I love this. A few weeks ago we did a great recipe on smoked turkey. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. I'm going to post the link in a card that I'm going to post on the video. This would go perfect with that. And another recipe from last week, smoked prime rib. Really good with smoked Brussels sprouts and crispy bacon. Well, I hope you guys try it out. Let me know if you like it. I hope to hear from you soon, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel and check again next week. Actually, we have a great episode for you guys next week. We're going to do a Cuban lechon asado. It's basically a roast pig on a spit, and we're going to roast it and spin it above open fire. It's gonna be amazing. So don't forget, tune in again next week and see you then. Bye.